So I'm about a half an hour down from Gumul, and I'm hiking down today back to Mibale. I got to come up yesterday so I could participate in the team's weekly staff meeting, and then today I had the chance to interview some CLM members. It's really a remarkable thing. Haitians say Dèyè mon gen mon. Beyond mountains there are mountains, and when you are hiking up to these corners, you really feel that. But it's great to be able to get to see the progress that the members are making. It's great to see how productively they're working together with their case managers, and so for all the running around, it's a privilege to be able to be part of this. So I'm grateful to HTF and to the Casper Foundation, who have enabled us to work up here, and I look forward to sharing some thoughts about the members I met today.